This was the bedside table that I made. That's the back of it. Yeah, quite pleased with it. I used hardboard, which looks okay actually. Looks okay. Painted it, and I think paint-wise it'll be okay. I don't mind the little flaws on it, because that does make it look more like wood than card. So right, okay, so I made some false drawers. I covered them in the bedroom wallpaper, so they should look all right. Hopefully they should look all right. So okay, I am not the tidiest of crafters, as you probably know, so let's go. I need to glue these onto the drawers. I think that'll look all right there, you know. So yeah, so got some glue, and I love this glue. It's the tacky glue, and it lasts for ages. I mean, I've had it quite a while now, and it does last a while. The only problem is that gets blocked up quite a lot, so what I have to do is I have somewhere somewhere, she says, somewhere I have got a spiky thing. There it is. That's my spiky thing. Okay, and what I had to do is just open the hole on the... Yay! And that doesn't block it, but as I say, it does get blocked up a lot, and I am the worst for not covering putting the cap back on. So I've turned my YouTube down because I've got a feeling that I might get done for copyright, but I see it as a bit of free advertising, but who knows, we'll see. Okay, so I'm just gluing the false front, whoops, I'm making a right pig's ear of it, the false front onto the set of drawers. Does that look straight to you ish? No, it was ish. It doesn't have to be bang on, but I don't want it to be obviously dead wonky. Okay, so that one is on. Put this other blobby glue on this monkey here. And then glue, there we go, I'm all over the place. Glue that. I like that because that does look like the pattern's almost continuing there. Yeah, it's cute. Okay. Yay! Look at that. Looks alright. Looks alright. Okay, I made some drawer handles, and all it is hardboard, and there's some remains of it here. I love this stuff. Quite a hard board, hence the name. So I made little rectangles of those, and then smaller rectangles that are glued on the back, and I covered it in a silver paint pen. And I'm thinking that those would look all right there. They look all right, don't they? They look all right. What I'm going for in this doll's house is, you know, it's a bit dated. They've not got the top of the range latest stuff. You know, a lot of it's hand-me-downs and things like that, and what the previous owner had left. So they've not got all this IKEA fancy stuff or whatever, Furniture Land latest. You know, it's a bit old-fashioned, a bit 80s, 70s, 80s. But now that looks pretty straight to me. How's that looking to you? Looks pretty straight, doesn't it? Yeah, that's all right. Yeah. The squeaking, by the way, is my chair. Got a really squeaky chair. I do need to oil it. Nothing to do with my weight killing the chair. Okay, so that is cute. That's done. I'm going to let it dry like that so the thing doesn't slide. So that's the bedside table done. I'm quite happy with that. Okay, these were the drawers that I made out of the same hardboard. Sorry. I made a right plonker of myself because I measured the sides and the front and the back, and when I came to put it together, I thought, hang on a minute, you don't need a front, you Wally, you need shelves. So what I did was I used the front panel that I'd made, chopped it into shelves and measured out what I needed, and it's turned out not too bad actually. Glued it in, super glued it in. Did I super glue them? I never super glued the sides. No, I used white glue for them. That was it, because trying to put the shelves in and trying to position them right, the super glue, I just didn't have enough time for it just dried so quick. So I needed a bit more time and flexibility to be able to move them around a bit. So yeah, so I used this glue, the tacky glue, for these shelves, but the rest is super glued on. I made little strips out of the hardboard to edge the shelves and the front panels. The top I got really cheeky with it actually, a little cheeky cheat, because I got a strip of the hardboard and I bent it round. Look at that, lazy or what, but it seems to work, just because I couldn't be bothered trying to do the angles there. Not quite au fait on angles and things. Like I said, I think my husband should make doll's house furniture because he is a carpenter and joiner as one of his many skills, and I think he will make an excellent doll's house maker, but we'll see. I'll try and talk him into it. So yeah, so those are my shelves, which I'm quite happy with. I do need to paint them now, so I'm thinking I've got a reference picture that I'm working on that's given me kind of the inspiration for the room, and there were different colours in the room, different colour scheme, but I think I'm gonna go for like an olive green. I think like quite a dark kind of, don't want it looking too modern. So need to look. So I need to look for a colour. So what I will do now is I will leave you to watch the video and I will speak to you again later. If I remember